with Lando. Pokemon Brick Bronze! Believe it or not, guys, we are playing. Just start your adventure. Click. Wow. Nothing. What? Shark, can you hold the thingy for me?
No.
Please? The start adventure of Pokemon Brick Bronze. Grandpa, can you hold it for me? This is my house, I guess. Maybe? I think so.
Yeah, I think it's your house.
I'm playing on an iMac today. Oh. How I look handsome. Did you just see that?
What did you do?
Oh, wait. I can't believe today has finally come. Today I get my first Pokemon from the Pokemon Professor. I've always dreamed of setting out on my own adventure with my Pokemon by my side. There's so many Pokemon in this world. I hope to discover all in one day. Ow. Come on, Smurf. Sorry. I better get going. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to fill out my training card. Type your name. Dofer. Did I write that correctly? Okay. Awesome. Okay. Check. What? Okay. Guys, sorry, I need to hold it. Please? Okay, then we don't.